So for the first one, right, understand this, that you want to find a Cartesian equation for this parametric equation. So changing to Cartesian equation just means get rid of t. Okay. So then the question is, how do you get rid of t? You write it down lah. Okay, this is also another very common one. You just need some algebraic manipulation. You take 1 and 2. Okay. What's the problem here? How do you make t the subject? What's the problem here? The problem is either you have one term of t, you have two kinds of t here. One is a reciprocal of t, and the other one is just t, right? Plain vanilla t. Okay. So if you want to make t the subject, you just get rid of one of it lah. How do you get rid of it? So you can minus it 1 minus 2, or you can take 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is okay, right? 1 plus 2 will get rid of these two guys. So this will be on the left hand side with x plus y. There will be t plus t will be what? 2t. 1t plus minus 1t is just 0. So you get this guy. Okay. Now once you get this ready, you know that t is equals to x plus y over 2. Now this is the holy grail, right? Because if you can express t in terms of x plus y, you good game already. Now you take these 3 here, you can just substitute to any of it. You can sub into the first equation or the second equation, doesn't matter. Because once you get this ready, you can sub into this or this, it doesn't matter, because you then can express everything in terms of x and y already, Cartesian form. Okay, so you sub into 1, I sub into 2, okay? This guy will be y is equals to t x plus y over 2. Then the reciprocal, you can just take 2 over x plus y lah. No worries. Okay, you don't. Okay, then the next question is, do you need to simplify it, right? Because the next part it says sketch C. Okay, how do you sketch C? If you can sketch C using the parametric form lah, but this guy here, you try and rearrange it and see whether you know this curve. So once you get this, you as a HTML student should know what shape is this. What shape is this? Hyperbola. That's right. Why is it hyperbola? Yes, because different sign. Okay, that's the main thing. If it's the same sign, is a circle. Then if it's different, same sign, different values, is ellipse. This one is confirmed is hyperbola. So this case here, I will say as usual, make this one hyperbola. Just change into this form here. Equals to 1. Okay, it helps. So the next question is then what this hyperbola, you have to know whether it's sideways or top down lah. Okay. So you have to know it's either the one on the left or the right. So which one is it? The left one, right? Sideways. So then you also know the center is 0, 0, right? That's why I drew this out. So then ask yourself, what is the equation asymptote? Remember how to do the asymptote? Equate this, bro. Equate these two. Because as x goes to infinity, these two will equal to each other. The difference of these two terms is equals to 1. So the equation asymptote. So yeah, this is the equation asymptote. So when you draw this down, right here, there's y equals to x. Then what we do next is understand this is p. This distance here is p, right? Okay, this is p. So p squared equals to 4. P is equals to just 2 lah. Which p is positive, so this guy will be 2, 0 minus 2, 0. Okay, part 2. The point P on the curve has this parameter P. Okay, so essentially, this is what's going on. You have a point on the curve here with parameter P. So what does parameter P means? It just means that if the parameter, the housing address is P, then x is equals to what? P plus 1 over P, and y equals to P minus 1 over P. If it says the parameter is P, it just means that I take that as a housing address. Parameter is a housing address, okay? So this is P, the coordinates of P is just nothing more than this lah. This will be like that. So this is to settle the first statement there. says the next part, it says that shows that the straight line, this is a straight line, this is line equation. So this is like somewhat y equals mx plus c lah, some y equals mx plus c, cuts a curve. So when you say cuts a curve means what? Intersect ah. Okay. Question: if in secondary school, right, like that, y1, y2. If I want you to find the intersect, what do? y1 equals to y2, satisfying both equations. So same thing, if you want to find the intersect, right, you should also satisfy these two equations. So you just sub them in, yeah. You sub this x inside this x here, this inside here. Sub the x with the t in. Okay. Then you need to show that t equals to p is the only solution. That you only have got one solution. Okay. So you sub the parametric c, the curve c parametric equation into the line equation. So you just want to show that when you sub it in, the solution is only t equals to p lah. That's about it. You want to show that. You sub it in. So you sub it in, this guy, sub it in. Then you make it common denominator here. Just common fraction. Then you should try to expand and see what you get. So I multiply by t here. This step here. So I get rid of the denominator t. Then this will have a t. I don't want to get I don't want the t as a denominator. Okay, expand everything, minus off, you get this one. Then p square is divided by 2. Then you get t square 2pt. This is p square minus 2pt plus t square equals 0. So this one you can draw the rectangle there, or you can just eyeball this. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is p minus t square. So the only solution is p equals to t. That's how you show that you only intersect once.